This look is perfect for the springtime. Wondering how to get this look? Keep watching. At first, I'm going to need some Scotch tape. I'm going to use that on my eye, creating a winged liner. Then I'm going in with a golden color. I'm going to apply it on the crease and then blend it out. You want to be consistent with the blending method. I'm going in with a sweeping motion. Be cautious not to apply it on the brow bone. For this look, the brow bone needs to be an off-white color. Apply an orange color the same way. Don't overlap the gold and the orange together because it needs to be transitioning each other. You can always go back in and add some more orange to the crease because sometimes the orange will not show up because of the gold. And that's exactly what I'm doing over here. Apply a concealer to the lid. The purpose of this is because it's going to create a good base for the next eyeshadow. We're going to be applying purple eyeshadow, so because of that, I'm going to layer the concealer. Also flick the concealer all the way to the end like a winged liner. Going in with the purple eyeshadow, apply it onto the lid and you want to use a tapping motion. For this certain look, I'm going to only apply this color only halfway. I'm going to go in with a darker purple color, technically a more violet color, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other end that I left off. Also, you want to blend out the two so it looks like it's going to transition into each other. Remove your tape. And I'm just going over with some powder over the areas that the tape might have stained. The powder also helps get rid of all the oiliness. I have very oily skin, so this is an important step for me. Apply eyeliner onto the waterline. Then apply some mascara. The last step is to apply some lashes. Now you're basically done. Thank you everybody for watching my video. If you ended up liking it, please do hit the thumbs up button down below. Share it with your friends and family. If you wish to see more videos like this in the near future, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button. Till my next video, please do stay safe and take care. Goodbye.